Welcome back to Education on Cloud, students. Have a good day. So in today's Tally for Business class, we will be discussing about the topic system accounting or system method of accounting. So let us begin now. So in this particular topic, that is system accounting topic, so the index or the topics covered is we will be learning or we will be having an introduction to Tallyprime, and we will have a brief discussion about system accounting. Then next, so we will learn the steps. We will learn the steps for creating the company. Then we will be learning about the Tallyprime settings. So that is one particular settings called as the company features, and the other type of setting is actually called as configuration. We will discuss about that. Then next we will be learning or we will be having a discussion about the gateway of Tally screen and menu. Next we will be learning how to display the list of reserved groups and predefined groups in Tallyprime. Then we will also discuss the steps for creating the account groups, that is the user defined groups. The groups which we create on our own is actually called as the user defined groups. So how to create that in Tallyprime we will learn. Then once after learning how to create the account group, then we will also learn how to alter these created account groups, that is user defined groups. Then we will also learn how to delete the user defined account groups. Next, so these are the topics getting covered under this particular class. Then next we will be learning the steps for creating ledgers. Ledger is actually a book of accounts. Then we will be learning how to alter or modify these ledgers. Then similarly we will also learn the steps to delete or steps for deleting the ledgers. So system accounting, what is this system accounting? See, as I discussed in the foundation class, that is accounts foundation class, there are two methods of accounting. One method is the manual method of accounting. The other one is the system method of accounting. So now let us discuss what is the system method of accounting or system accounting. See, system accounting or system method of accounting is nothing but using a computerized system, using a software or an application software, we will be learning how to maintain the accounts of an entire company. So this is what is system accounting. So in particular what we will be doing is we will be learning Tallyprime software application, that is we will be using the Tallyprime software application in order to maintain the accounts. So this is what we are going to learn. So now let us see what is this Tallyprime. See, Tallyprime is the latest version of Tally software. Earlier it was called as just Tally application with different version numbers. So previously we had Tally ERP 9, and before that we had Tally 9, before that we had 8.1, then 7, 6. So in this way we had different versions of Tally. As of now the latest version of Tally is actually called as Tallyprime. So what is this Tallyprime? So Tallyprime is nothing but a new age business management software. So we can call this as a new age or the latest trending business management software. It is from the house of Tally Solutions, that is it is the product of Tally Solutions Private Limited. And this Tally Solutions is well known for its simplicity, speed, flexibility and reliability. So these are what we can say, these are the features or the trademarks of Tally products. And same way with Tallyprime also. So using Tallyprime we can maintain the accounts very efficiently and very flexibly. So this is what is the Tallyprime. So with Tallyprime we will have a very new or a very good experience level. So let us continue. Now let us see what are the features of Tallyprime. So what are the features of Tallyprime? The first and the foremost feature of Tallyprime is that the interface, that is in the Tally application software, the interface which is used now is actually simplified when compared to the previous versions. So in the previous versions there were lot of screens and lot of interface menus which used to confuse. So that they have simplified. So this is the first main feature of Tallyprime, that is simplified interface. Then next, insightful business reports, that is they have developed the business reports in such a way that it gives a sight, inward sight what exactly it is. Then it is more concentrating now towards invoicing and accounting, and the features are very easy and simplified. Then it is having a provision for GST and other taxation. Then it is also providing the inventory management system, and there is a cash flow management. Then there is multitasking capabilities features. Then we also have features that is nothing but company wise, each company wise settings which we can do. Then we also have access for the business data online. So this data whatever we are recording we can access online also, and this data is secure. So these are the main features of Tallyprime. So let us go through once again. So what are the features of Tallyprime? Yes students, the simplified interface is the first point. Then next, insightful business reports. Next, invoicing and accounting, GST and taxation. Then we have inventory management, then the cash flow management, multitasking capabilities. Then we have individual company featuring options. Then we have access of business data online, that is anytime anywhere we can access through online. Then we have the data secure, that is the data is kept securely, that is the company data is kept securely. So these are the main features of Tallyprime. Now let us discuss the steps to open Tallyprime. So how do we open Tallyprime? So the Tallyprime software, once we install, there is an icon created on the desktop. So you can notice here, this is the icon. So this is the icon on the desktop we find. So we have to simply just double click on this icon. So if you double click this icon, that is if you double click the icon, automatically the application opens, that is the Tallyprime application opens. Now the second method is, so in the second method what happens, we have to go to in the Windows taskbar, there is a search box. So in this search box we are supposed to go and type here Tallyprime and press enter. So as soon as you press enter, the Tallyprime application opens. So these are the easy steps to open Tallyprime software application. So method 1 is, as I said you, simply on the desktop there is an icon called Tallyprime, double click on it, it will open. The second method is go to the search box and type there Tallyprime. You should not give any space here, Tallyprime is one word. Type this and press enter key, the Tallyprime application opens.
Now let us learn how to open Tallyprime. So the first method is, we are supposed to come to the desktop. On the desktop, we are supposed to double click on the Tallyprime icon. So you can notice here I am double clicking on Tallyprime icon. So as soon as I double click on the Tallyprime icon, the Tallyprime opens. So this is one of the method of opening Tallyprime. So this is how you open. So now I'll teach you the other method, how to open Tallyprime. So you can go to the search box and type here Tallyprime. So you can notice the application, in the application list you will see the match Tallyprime. So click on it. So this is the other easy method to open Tallyprime. So this is how we open Tallyprime. So you can notice here it is opening. So once you open, if you are not activated the license, so you will be able to see the screen in the following manner. So in this particular screen you can see license. There are 4 options: continue in education mode, use license from network, reactivate existing license, activate new license. See, since we are learning for the education purpose, so If we don't have the license version of Tally, we can simply click on the option continue in education mode. Suppose if we have the license for the Tallyprime software application, then you can click on the option reactivate existing license. That is, if you are already having a license and you want to activate it. Suppose if you have a license and you want to use it from the network, you can use this particular option, use license from network. Suppose you are newly purchased the Tally Prime application software, then if you have the new license and you want to activate the new license, then the last option, activate new license, this particular option you are supposed to click. In our case, I'll be clicking on the option continue in education mode. If I click on continue in education mode, so the Tallyprime application opens in this particular manner. So these are the simple steps practically. You can use either of the methods to open Tallyprime application.